PEX story. This is my first time at the conference. Really excited to be here. Really thrilled to see a variety of technology vendors on the business process management side of things. So something I'm looking to explore out and expand out in my business. And hopefully I can find a new vendor here today. Business transformation has evolved, mostly I would say from the data analytics side. Availability of data has really transformed from the need of manual data collection, where you're forced to do sampling, to the latest technologies where everything's automated, databases are plentiful, business intelligence has really ramped up over the last 10 years, and you can get 100% of the data sample that you need at a click of a button, basically. So, and I think that has really taken away the need to hypothesize or project out, where you have real solid data you can make actual conclusions from. Garbage in, garbage out. So just because it's real time doesn't mean it's always accurate. So you have to pay attention to the gauge process and ensure that the data that is going in is recorded in a repeatable process, and it's recorded in a way that is sustainable and ongoing, so that just if someone changes the role that was previously recording the data, that they just don't record it in a new way that they felt was their way to do it. So, you know, that if the ins change, the outs are going to change. So just because you have something in a database, don't assume that's 100% accurate. You know, again, I think it does continue to evolve as the economies change around the world, business needs change. There was depending, the old stalwart long-term insurance companies, very methodical, 3 to 5 year planning cycles, and you could take 3, 6, 9 months on a project, and that was perfectly acceptable. Nowadays, with the speed of technology evolving, you need to execute in 3, 6, 9 months from end to end, and projects have to take 30 to 60 days. So that there's much compressed, and there's much more higher expectations for results. Billtrust is an electronic invoice payment presentment company where we offer a full suite of products for the payment cycle management process. So what we do is we expedite we can get your invoices to your customers faster, and we can expedite payments to you from your customers faster, therefore reducing your days outstanding on your invoices, which means they recognize their revenue faster. So that's the value we bring. It's in speed of execution of delivery of the invoices to collection of the payments in a fraction of the time. Promoting the use of business intelligence, again, in our organization, it's just developing, but it really needs to start with a customer segmentation and understanding what your customers what type of customers you have in your organization, and what services and products you're offering them, and how they're consuming those products. So what we're trying to do is figure out how we can segment those clients, and then actually give that data back to them and say, hey, we've noticed certain patterns in the way your customers are paying you, or in your peak volumes or your cycle times on your invoice distributions, and then maybe we can give suggestions on how they can expedite those processes to reduce that cycle time. Adoption, if it's not ingrained in the culture, in our organization, again, it's just beginning, but not everyone understands what it is or how it can be used. So adoption and education beyond the core team of engineers that are pulling the data, the frontline managers need to be educated on how they can leverage that data and leverage the BI team going forward.